ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Halor ki kam penbait put penbait sam hapdeng ke Jilla Meghalaya bat ke Assam balakhli ha ke kerdan ki menteri rangba kita ki artli ki Jilla negaliang ke sarkar Assam bat ke sarkar Meghalaya minta ke sengi ke khendai teri ke benai risau arjar arpuai kila sedang shwa da ke balai ban jurip syakit jaka badan ke jingnya ke japut hapdeng ke Assam bat ke Meghalaya ban lum jing tip ke babenya ya ki jinglong jingman jong ki jaka ki puta naga benta ka jingye penbait put penbait sam hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat ka Assam kani ka jing sedang ban jorip ban ye penbait put hagani ka kenti la sedang shwa tang ye ki artli kita ki cluster bakenthop ka wei ha ka than pilang kata bat ka wei pat ha ka than khana para nagaliang jong ki menteri sarkar lani ki chairman Assam bat Meghalaya minta kasengi kila sedang banjurip ya ki jaka kita ki artli ki cluster kabadairu hadin makila dat banya syong perkhat henin kasengi Havivanta Taj Hotel Guwahati bad minta kasengi pat kila hier ban le jurip ne ka physical spot inspection ha kita ki artli ki cluster kata ha pilang kata bat kathan khana para tonginya pe minta ya ka jingya kren jong ki aryang mamla halor gani ka jingya kren penbait po.
This area is Meghalaya and this area is Assam. Although we are demanding another 14 85 छोटा रास्ता था लेकिन उसका बाद में हम लोग बस्ती का आदमी सोशल वर्क करता है सोशल बस्ती का आदमी निकाल सोमवार मंडे में सोशल वर्क करके हम लोग रास्ता बना लिया 12 हो गया अभी मोथरेबल हो गया अभी लोग बोला रास्ता का इस तरफ असम इस तरफ मेघालय ये क्या होना चाहिए मेघालय असम ये पूरा मेघालय है ये पूरा मेघालय है यानी कि बोथ साइड मेघालय जब एजीपी टाइम में वो लोग ये पूरा जबरदस्ती दखल करता है हाँ ये और अंदर में इधर में पाइपलाइन भी है एजीपी का टाइम में इधर में पाइप पूरा सप्लाई करता है ये तो लेफ्ट साइड है असम ভাড়াটিয়া হব স্যার ভাড়াটিয়া হব এনেকা নহয় আসাম মেঘালয় এইটো নহয় এইটো ৰাস্তা সৰু আছিল মথৰেবল নহয় খোজকাঢ়ি যোৱা ৰাস্তা আমি বছৰে বস্তি মানুহবিলাক বনাই কিনে মথৰেবল বনাই দিছে 1985-86 পৰা আগতে আমি বনাইছে বস্তি মানুহবিলাক বনাই ডাঙৰ কৰি দিছে এইটোৱে অসম অসম মেঘালয় বুলি কৈছে এইটো নহয় এনেকুৱা নহয় একদম দলং আছে কাঠৰ দলং বনাই এই ৰাস্তাটো কোনে বনাইছে This tent is arranged by you only. So I am came here. No, you have only arranged this, right? The villagers or no? Yes, this is. See, sir, this tent is arranged by you only. Yeah. I didn't arrange anything, right? We didn't arrange anything. We just asking. We have no idea that there is a tent.
There is a meeting.
In plain areas, basically there is no Meghalaya people. Basically, this no.
Hey, don't fight. Don't say that. Don't. You are from here. Where you are from?
I'm from the Himalayan.
Which part?
I'm the Batan.
From here, how many? How?
We are looking all about this.
No, you can't say that.
Yes.
I am asking
We are the
inhabitant of this
traditional.
people.
We are the traditional.
Boss, I am asking inhabitant of this people. Even she is not here. She is not came here.
This
She is from Shillong only.
He's the headman.
She is from Shillong. He is the headman. How far from here?
You tell him.
আপোনাৰ ঘৰ কিমান দূৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা?
বেছি দূৰ নাই
কিমান?
এটা স্যার মেঘালয়
He is already in Meghalaya. He is already in Meghalaya. Our people not asking. আমাৰ আপোনাৰ ঘৰ ক'ত? আপোনাৰ বাক্ৰাপাৰা। তো আপুনি কোনখিনি? আমাৰ এইখিনি মানুহ কোন কোন? মোক সেইটোৱে দেখাব লাগে।
আমাৰ যিখিনি ইয়াতে প্ৰশ্ন
সেইটো কৈছোঁ। Already,
Meghalaya. He headman of Meghalaya.
this land in that Kasar under your possession. But our people demanding this land belong to us also. But already these lands are in your possession. But from that Kasar gate, this is totally Kasar.
There's already a wall also, sir. There's already a wall. That's right, from there.
This is a hearing only. Eto kuno ere final নহয় দেই। ফোন কৰিছে না? ইয়াতে একো ফাইনেল নহয় কিন্তু আমাৰ কথাটো যে কাজিয়া হ'ব নালাগে কোনো। তাইছে মতামতটো লৈছো নো কাজিয়া। দেই আমি একেবাৰে ভাই ককাই নো কাজিয়া নাথিং। আমি যদি পাৰো সমস্যাটো সমাধান কৰিব লাগে।
According to the decision taken by both the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, that we need to come and see physically where there are issues which we have differences. So this is the first visit and the first inspection we made both sides from government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. So we understand, but of course we are here not to take the decision, not that we take a decision here itself, because ultimately again we will get some historical facts, the documents, these, that. Then accordingly, from both of us, we will send this report to both the chief ministers. That is the position of us now. Please don't misunderstand. Don't say that Mr. Hazarika, Honorable Minister, or Deputy CM of Meghalaya will take a decision. We cannot do that because this decision was taken by both the Chief Minister, Meghalaya and Assam. So therefore, both of us, we are here just to physically see, and then ultimately the report will be given to the highest authority, means Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
We have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said. But decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.
Because you are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I'm so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places. 6 to 7 places, which is known as, one is Pilangata cluster and number 2 is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection, both sides. We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the states, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya very soon, where we have to do it. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Baklapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam level of the chief.